Minecraft is legit evil. And there's horrible things going on there. In fact, I would say keep your kids so far away from any multiplayer video game where they're getting on with other people from around the world, because what they're finding is a massive amount of the other players are pedophiles and they're on there grooming kids. And there's like, I could get into all this stuff because it is so evil and dark. It's bad news.
That's true. I want to go back to this comment though, because so my 16-year-old has read so much about video games and comes back with an argument for moderation. When your kids come back to you with an argument, that's a good thing. We want them to do this stuff. We don't want them to just, well, here, I gave you the thing and whatever. That should be the end of the story. This is them thinking. So invite that.
Same with I don't care. I don't care as a response to let's talk through this.
Right. The key then is to, because here's the reality. We didn't come to this conclusion just because, well, this is our opinion and this is what we think. We came to this conclusion because this is what the actual research shows. Now, of course, you can find research to support any opinion, but if you look at something, I always look at something that's across genres and is proven in at least 3 different areas of expertise. So if you want to look at biology, psychology, and financial success, whatever, if 3 of those people say this contributes to failure, video games contribute to failure, I'm going to start believe that because it's not coming from one source. It's not like, hey, my expert person over here said this, so it must be true. It's like, no, this person said it, this person said it, this person said it. They're not even in the same domain. They're all saying it. To me, that is true. That's what I'm pulling in. And this isn't to like prove that you're the best, in winning debates in your home, but it's like, I'm gaining the skills to be able to debate with my children and to prove my point. Like I'm literally convincing them. I'm literally having the discussion with them, not to win, but to say, okay, great, let's talk about it. Let's go through it all. Let's pull out all the facts and see where it actually lands. Not in a manipulative, rude, domineering way, but like, yeah, let's have this conversation. Because when we have that conversation and we bring in the third parties, so it's not me saying this, it's someone else saying it, then that's when they begin to, okay, yeah, it makes sense. But it's a process. It's not a one and done thing. It's going to be a process, and that's okay. It's okay that it's a process.